15 tips to make your boyfriend obsessed with you. Do you want him to seriously lose his mind about you? Time to learn those secrets to make him go crazy. Today, let's talk about how to make your boyfriend obsessed with you. Here are the real steps you need to take. 1. Be obsessed with yourself. We're not talking arrogant or totally self-centered. Embrace your own inner awesomeness more. Confidence can actually be quite humble. This is why self-love is always the strong foundation on which all your relationships stand. Learning to love yourself can be a long road, but it is 100% worth it. 2. Make him feel special. Coming on way too strong or acting all needy can chase any guy away. If you want a man to obsess over you, make him feel like he's the only guy you've got eyes for. Make him know that he makes you laugh and keeps you happy. Be kind and give him your attention. 3. Be playful. Being playful in your relationship keeps things light and fun. Cultivating playfulness could be the key to long-lasting partnerships. Don't be afraid to show your silly side. Be so much fun whenever he is around you. 4. Let him be your hero. Letting him be your hero isn't about you dumbing yourself down. This strong urge to be needed and protect exists on a fundamental level for men. Once triggered, they feel better, love harder, and commit stronger. 5. Take things slowly. Keeping your cool in a relationship. You can only crave something that you don't get to indulge in all the time. Let your relationship develop slowly built healthy and firm foundations. When it comes to timings, don't rush him. 6. Dress to impress. Attraction is a significant part of how to make him crazy about you. Make him feel, wow, when he looks at you. Try to take care of your appearance. 7. Be vulnerable. Make him obsessed with you requires a real depth to your relationship. This only happens when you can truly open yourself up to someone else. This can feel quite terrifying for most of us. But you have to let him see you. Be honest about how you feel and communicate with him. This will help you both understand each other better. Vulnerability is an important part of making a man fall head over heels in love with you. 8. Set healthy boundaries. A strong relationship needs clear and healthy boundaries. Set some ground rules. You need to have lines you will not let him cross. He can treat you with the dignity and respect you deserve. 9. Say thank you, and often. Just 2 little words that have a huge impact. Saying thank you to your guy is an instant way to boost your relationship. He needs to feel appreciated. When a man feels respected, useful, and needed, he's more likely to obsess over you. 10. Enjoy your freedom. Enjoy your own separate lives. Give him the space to pursue his own interests and goals, whilst you do the same. Having fun with friends is as important as spending time with him. Nobody wants a clingy partner. 11. Keep it real. Keep your relationship real. Be true to yourself, and be the real you. You should try too hard. Don't try to be someone you're not. He needs to fall for you, not some overly curated versions. 12. Be a team. Being a team is about being equal in your relationship. To build a lasting relationship, you need to respect each other's boundaries. You must show him you value his opinions and contributions equally. 13. Let him be his own man. Don't try to fix or control him. Let your partner be free. He has to make his own decisions in life. You are there to support him. Show him exactly how he is all you want him to be. 14. Show him respect. Listening to him. Asking his opinions and feelings. Not undermining his choices. Trusting him and being mindful of how you speak to him. 15. Mirror his effort. Mirroring his effort is the new and improved way of playing hard to get. It can be a good way to make sure you don't end up chasing someone. Never throw yourself at him.